My name is Divona I am standing in front of my grape garden. This week we are celebrating National Nutrients Week. As a part of National Nutrients Week, I am going to do grape juice. Before that, I am going to tell what are the benefits of grape juice. Grapes are rich in vitamin C and K, help lower blood pressure, help to reduce cholesterol, decrease blood sugar level. Now I am going to pluck grapes. Now let's start making grape juice. First, pour some water. Pour half teaspoon of salt and put the grapes and wash it well and take the grapes in the bowl. Next, take the mixie jar, put the grapes and put 2 spoons of sugar and half salt and half spoon of pepper. After, put little water and mix it in the blender. Now, filter in the bowl. Now our healthy grape juice was ready. Thank you for watching.